Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1 4th of September 2020 question number 18. If alpha beta are root of x square minus 3x plus p is equal to 0 and gamma delta are roots of x square minus 6x plus q is equal to 0 and alpha beta gamma delta are in increasing geometric progression, then value of 2q plus p divide 2p minus q is equal to what? Four options are given. This is the question in the house of arithmetic and geometric progression APGP. So two quadratic equation is given here, that is x square minus 3x plus p is equal to 0 and x square minus 6x plus q is equal to 0, whose roots are alpha beta and gamma delta, and they are in geometric progression. So alpha comma beta comma gamma comma delta is equal to ar a comma ar comma ar square comma ar cube, as they are in the increasing GP, increasing geometric progression. So we may write this. Now this alpha beta is root of this quadratic equation. So alpha plus beta a plus ar is equal to 3. We may write minus b by a, so it is 3, and a into ar is equal to small p. It is the second from the gamma delta is the root of this quadratic equation. So here we write ar square plus ar cube is equal to 6 and ar square into ar cube is equal to q. So first we divide, just take comment in this, so that implies we may write ar square into is equal to 1 plus r here is equal to 6, and this simplifying this we may write a into 1 plus r is equal to 3. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. If we write, then dividing 2 and 2 from 1, so we get ar square divide 1 plus r divide a into 1 plus r is equal to 6 by 3 when we divide 2 by 1. Then r a is cancelled off, 1 plus r and 1 plus r is cancelled off, 3 is cancelled off by 2, 6. So r square is equal to 2. This is our equation 3. Now we should calculate the value 2q plus p divide 2q minus p. So we may write here 2q plus p divide 2q minus p. So that is equal to, we know q is equal to a square 5p. So q is equal to a square 5p, a square r to the power 5, a square r to the power 5 is q here, and p is equal to a square r. So it is a square r, and once again 2 is equal to q is equal to 2 into a square r to the power 5 minus a square r. So that is equal to a square r is common here, 2 into r to the power 4 plus 1 divide a square r is common, 2 r to the power 4 minus 1. So a square r and a square r is cancelled off, both numerator and denominator, and we know the value of r square. Here from equation 3 we put r square is equal to 2, so it become 2 into 2 square plus 1, and it is 2 into 2 square minus 1. So here we get 4 into 1, 2 is equal to 8 plus 1 is 9, divide 7. So we reached, this is our required value, and our option is option 3. So here is the whole solution. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.